Alright guys, I was able to find a crossbar that can fit my Acura RDX since my car doesn't come with it and it's a bare roof or the naked roof. So I was able to find this bad boy crossbar. It's a 48 inches. If you're out there looking for a crossbar like I was looking for, it took me about 2 weeks to find something and hours on the internet trying to find a perfect match. I bought about 4 or 5 different crossbars and they were too short. So the one that fit the Acura RDX, the newer version of the RDX is a 48 inches. And the basket is, I think, the 46 by 43. It looks a little bit smaller for the basket, so you can buy something bigger for the basket. But I think this one is perfectly fine for me because yeah, I think my stuff will fit in there on the basket and inside the car. I'm moving from Tullahoma, Tennessee. It's a small country town or city. So yeah, I'm moving there to Wisconsin, to Madison, Wisconsin to be exact. So yeah, I mean, I've been out here for the past 2 years. So